welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, if you're new here, welcome. I'm going to wait for you while you subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button right there so it will notify you whenever I upload a video. Let's wait. Alright, I'm pretty sure you're done. So today we're going to be making pie crust. Actually, we're going to be making lemon tart, but I'm going to make the video too first how to show you how to make a pie crust. Anyways, you get what I'm talking about. So today we're going to be making pie crust. Let's take you guys through the ingredients. Okay guys, so all you're going to need is 1 egg, quarter cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, and 1.5 cup of butter. That's all actually, and a pan for the pie crust. You should get this if you don't have that, or the little ones, the mini pans. So yeah, we're going to soften the butter. You need soft butter guys. Actually, we're going to cream the butter first.
Parece mi mano y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firmo las paredes de tu laberinto, desarrollo tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Quiero devorar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Déjame sobrepasar tus olas de peligro.
So you would need salt. I forgot to show you this earlier. So you would need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. That's like a quarter. So you just dump it all in.
Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas, con esa destreza.
I'm doing this because I'm using a smaller bowl. If you're using a bigger one, you don't have to do this guys. You just get everything out of your
Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Y es que esa belleza es un rompecabezas, pero para montarlo aquí tengo la pieza. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito.
So you would need to wash your hands for this. I just washed mine. Go wash your hands, please. Alright, so I'm just going to dump this in a I've got a plastic wrap here, so I'm just going to dump this all in. I like to get everything down here.
Eres de tu laberinto, desarrollo tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Quiero devorar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares.
You need a more plastic wrap actually, so mine is small. I went to get more plastic wrap. Let's shift this for a while first. Okay.
Déjame sobrepasar tus olas de peligro, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Cartas secretos, y que olvides tu apellido. Despacito.
So now we're going to pop this guy in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you bring it out. But if you're in a hurry, you could just pop it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to put it in the fridge for like 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you back then. So it's been 25 minutes. Yeah, it's hard now, so we're just going to roll it out. You could just, as you open it, put it on the pan and then start stretching it out. The dough is very forgiving, so you just start stretching it out. I prefer rolling lines, or at least we're going to roll it out and see how it turns out.
Yo soy el metal, me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firmo las paredes de tu laberinto y hacerlo en tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Quiero devorar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro, hasta provocar tus gritos y que olvides tu apellido. Si te pido un beso,
Sorry guys, I did this under the camera. I didn't even realize the camera went off, so all I did was just flip it over. So yeah, you have nothing to worry about. Now you just need everything to go to. And guys, if you're working with this, you have to make sure your dough is
llevo un tiempo intentándolo, moviendo y palpitándolo. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabes que esa beba está buscando de mi bam bam. Me prueba de mi vida, pero que tú no te sabes. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar los viajes. Mientras se lento, después salvaje. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito.
So this is the rest of the dough. I'm just going to freeze it. I just did the same thing I did earlier, and I'm going to put it back in the fridge. We're going to use fork and poke a hole. Be careful not to push it down. We're doing this in order to help the dough not to pop out. Alright, we're going to put this in the oven. So we're going to pop this baby in the oven for about 5 minutes in 200 degrees. Then we're just going to bring it down to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And I'll see you back then. So it's been 15 minutes guys, look at it. This is what we're looking for, slightly brown, but not yet brown. So it's still hot a little, so we're going to let it cool down, and then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to remove it. So it's cold now. We're going to try and remove it from the pan. You need to be careful so you don't break it. So I'm just going to put my pan under the pan and then just raise it up and let this go down here, just like so. That was easy, right? So if you're going to give this as a gift, you could try and use a knife or anything flat to remove it, but then I'm just going to serve it like this. So dear guys, so yeah, thanks for watching and hope you liked the video. If you did, well, comment down below and tell me what you liked about it and whatever. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yay! Share with the loved ones, whether they're loved ones or not, your enemies, everyone, just share it. Family and friends, just share the love, share the video. Alright, bye.
Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro.